Welcome to Sheriff and Vibe, the place for travel tips, news, deals, entertainment, and fun, fun, fun. Now, you do know that Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited loves resorts. And as our name suggests, we really are your resort specialist. And over the next few features, we will be speaking about various resort chains because loyalty has its rewards. And we have found that a lot of our clients really do enjoy spending their time with a particular brand. And so the brand that we'll be talking about and taking a little time to look at is the RIU brand, RIU Resorts International. And we will start at the top of the list, RIU Palace in Aruba. And it does not mean it's the top of my list, it's just the top of the alphabetical list. So, as we go on, we'll talk a little bit about the different types of resorts within the Rio brand, and you will realize that their creme de la creme, shall we put it, type property is the Palace brand. And so the Rio Palace in Aruba is a relatively new resort, beachfront in a lively area in Palm Beach, and it has gotten very, very good reviews. I'd like to share this with you and tell me what are some of the other Rio properties that are your favorites. Tell us what you like and even what you do not like about Rio, and we'll talk about it right here with Sheriff on Vibe. Ciao for now.